Guys, check this car out. The Skoda Kodiaq, but it's the edition specification, 2-litre diesel, 4-wheel drive. Now this car's got 7 seats. It's just absolutely fabulous. In meteor grey, 30,000 miles, 2019 registration with full Skoda service history. With the 7 seats, you still get a boot space. You've got all the LED lights front and rear, the upgraded beautiful wheels, sun protection glass roof rails, but then you have spec like this: electric memory heated seats, touchscreen navigation system, you've got the DSG gearbox, multifunctional steering wheel, the virtual dashboard. You've then got things like electric deployable tow bar, lots of space for all your friends and family, but just check out that third row seating, because even with the third row seats up, you're going to be surprised to see that you've still got a boot space as well, where you can put bags, suitcases, whatever you're going to use it for. This is ideal. This electric tow bar literally electronically folds away again by pressing one button. Automatic tailgate, not a car to be missed. A very good, practical, affordable 7-seater. Just come in. My name's Joe. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.